Could billions of jobs around the world disappear in the next few decades? Just a few years ago, that question sounded like science fiction. But today, artificial intelligence is advancing so rapidly that many experts believe we are entering a completely new era of work. And because of that, a few important questions are now being asked all over the world. Will AI really take human jobs? Or will it create entirely new kinds of work? What skills will become most valuable in the future? Will humans compete with machines or work alongside them? And perhaps the biggest question of all, what will the world of work actually look like in the next 20 or 30 years? These questions are not only being asked by ordinary people, some of the most influential technology leaders in the world have also shared their perspectives. People who are not only talking about the future of technology, but actively building it. Today, we will explore how 5 influential tech leaders think about the future of work, including the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, the CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, and Microsoft co-founder, Bill Gates. What do they believe about the future of jobs? Will artificial intelligence reshape the global workforce? And if it does, what might that future look like? Let's begin by hearing what Sam Altman has to say. When people talk about the current AI revolution, one name often comes up: Sam Altman. He is the CEO of OpenAI, the company behind technologies like ChatGPT. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has developed at an extraordinary pace, and according to Sam Altman, AI could fundamentally transform the way people work. He believes that in the coming years, artificial intelligence will automate many kinds of tasks, especially those that are repetitive and data-driven. Tasks like processing information, writing reports, handling customer support, or managing administrative work. In many ways, this transformation has already begun. Today, companies use AI to answer customer questions. Businesses rely on AI to analyze large data sets, and individuals use AI tools to write, code, research, and create digital content. According to Altman, these changes will only accelerate, but he also emphasizes something important. Artificial intelligence will not eliminate the need for humans. Instead, it will change the type of work humans do. In the future, the most valuable human skills may include creativity, complex problem-solving, and decision-making. While AI can process enormous amounts of information, human judgment and imagination still remain essential. History shows us that technology has always reshaped the job market. During the Industrial Revolution, many people feared that machines would replace human workers entirely. But instead, new industries and opportunities emerged. Engineering, manufacturing, and technology created entirely new career paths. Sam Altman believes something similar may happen again. However, adapting to this new world will require people to develop new skills. Understanding technology and learning how to work alongside AI. And that raises an important question. Will people adapt quickly enough to this technological shift? Or will many struggle to keep up with the pace of change? Another technology leader has a very different perspective on this issue. Let's hear what Elon Musk thinks. When discussions about the future of technology arise, Elon Musk is almost always part of the conversation. Through companies like Tesla and SpaceX, he has spent years working on technologies that could shape the future of humanity. Musk has often spoken about artificial intelligence with both excitement and caution. According to him, AI has the potential to automate a vast number of jobs, particularly in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and logistics. Tesla's highly automated factories already provide a glimpse of that future. Robots and automated systems now perform tasks that once required human labor. And according to Musk, this level of automation could expand dramatically. As machines become more capable, some traditional jobs may gradually disappear. This possibility has led Musk to discuss the idea of universal basic income, a system where people could receive a guaranteed income even as automation reduces the number of available jobs. His perspective suggests that artificial intelligence might not only transform technology, but also reshape economic and social systems. However, not everyone sees AI primarily as a threat to jobs. Some leaders believe AI will actually enhance human productivity. One of those voices is Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella leads one of the world's largest technology companies. Under his leadership, Microsoft has invested heavily in artificial intelligence. Nadella believes the future of work will not be about humans versus machines. Instead, it will be about humans working with AI. He often describes this idea using the phrase AI co-pilot. The concept is simple. In the future, almost every worker could have an AI assistant helping them perform tasks more efficiently. We are already beginning to see this through tools like Microsoft Copilot, AI systems that help people write documents, analyze data, generate presentations, and automate routine work. According to Nadella, this technology could dramatically increase human productivity. Workers may be able to accomplish more in less time, and the most valuable professionals may become those who know how to use AI effectively. In other words, technological literacy could become one of the most important skills of the future. And this idea is echoed by another major figure in the AI industry, Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. Jensen Huang leads NVIDIA, a company whose technology plays a crucial role in modern artificial intelligence. Most advanced AI systems rely on powerful GPUs, many of which are developed by NVIDIA. Huang believes that in the future, understanding AI will become an essential skill. He often talks about the importance of AI literacy, just as people today are expected to know how to use the internet. Future generations may be expected to know how to interact with artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to simplify complex tasks and amplify human capability. People may soon be able to accomplish things that once required entire teams of engineers or researchers. In this sense, artificial intelligence could become one of the most powerful tools humans have ever created. And this optimistic view is shared by another well-known technology leader, Bill Gates. Bill Gates has played a defining role in the history of modern computing. Through Microsoft, he helped bring personal computers into homes and workplaces around the world. Today, he believes artificial intelligence could bring another major transformation, especially in the world of work. According to Gates, AI could take over many repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing people to focus on more meaningful activities such as creativity, education, healthcare, and human-centered work. He has even suggested that AI could eventually reduce the number of hours people need to work. In the future, people might achieve the same level of productivity while working fewer hours each week. If used responsibly, Gates believes AI could make human life easier and more efficient. Looking across the perspectives of these five technology leaders, a clear pattern emerges. Artificial intelligence will likely change the nature of work. Some jobs may disappear, but new opportunities will also emerge. The key question may not be whether AI changes the future of work, but how quickly people adapt to that change. History has shown us something important. Technology reshapes the world, but ultimately, the future is shaped by human choices.